Hello, in this video we're going to talk about how to install WordPress and configure WordPress to use the BeachBody Coaches theme that you purchased from 2 Mile Solutions. So let's just kind of hop right into it. This video does assume that you use the link that we provided to purchase hosting from hostmonster.com. If you did not, that's fine. A lot of the hosting companies now provide one-click installers for WordPress. So they'll be similar to this, but could possibly be slightly different, but we're going to show you how to do it with HostMonster since that's the vendor that we recommend. So up here in the top right corner, you're going to click Control Panel Login. You're going to enter your login information. I've got mine saved on my computer. That's why it populated automatically. Then you're going to go ahead and click Login. It's going to take you into what's called cPanel, or your control panel for managing your hosting account. So we're going to scroll all the way down here to the bottom, and you'll notice that under Software and Services, you've got the Simple Scripts icon here. We're going to go ahead and click that. It'll open a new tab, you'll notice that. And then we're going to select the WordPress option. WordPress is a popular blogging engine. You've probably heard of it before if you've been around websites at all or blogging at all. We're going to go ahead and create a brand new version by clicking Install. We want to choose the 3.3.1. That's the current stable release. That's the most recent stable release. You want the most recent stable release for WordPress at the time you're installing it. Right now it's 3.3.1. For your website, you're probably just going to let it be the base domain name that you have chosen, and then leave this box blank. But because I already have a website, I'm going to go ahead and install it into a secondary folder on my website. We're going to create, fill in these, fill in the name of your site. Give it a username and password, and I would recommend giving it something other than just admin. And because everybody is able to see my password as I type it in here, I'm not going to use a very complex one, but for the sake of what you're doing, you want to have a fairly strong password. So you want to have uppercase, lowercase, symbols, and numbers in your password. For the sake of this video, I'm going to change the password anyway as soon as we're done. So I'm just going to go ahead and use password for right now. We do want it to automatically create a new database. We do not want any plugins or themes that they created, because the reason you're doing this is because you bought the theme from 2 Mile Solutions for BeachBody Coaches. And then it lists the licensing agreement for WordPress. If you're interested, go ahead and grab it. It's a fairly common license. It's a very common license that's used by thousands of websites online. But go ahead and read that if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and skip that for the video, and then I'm going to click Complete. So now it is going to install WordPress, and you notice it is progressing right now to install the actual WordPress website to your hosting account that you bought. Alright, and so now we're going to go ahead and go to, you want to print this information off for your records if you want to. But here's the link to actually get to your website, so we'll jump over there real quick. Right now it is showing the basic WordPress 2011 theme. We'll change that. I'm going to go ahead and leave that tab open, and then I'm going to jump over into the admin area for WordPress, and we're going to enter in our password and username. You can choose to have it remember you or not, and then click Login. Now there's several tutorials out there for WordPress and using WordPress. I'm going to go ahead and close and dismiss the dashboard. It already installed Jetpack, which is a plugin that is created by WordPress that has several different options that are available to you. You'll need to connect it to WordPress.com. I've got that done on my website. I'm not going to do that in this demo, but for now I'm just going to skip over that part. You're free to do that however you see fit. What we're going to do is, if you hover over Appearance, you see Themes over here. So we're going to go ahead and click Themes to go into the theme editor, and we're going to choose to install a theme. And once you get on that tab, we're going to say we are going to upload the theme. You'll notice that I have the theme downloaded onto my desktop. It's still in the zip file that you received from 2 Mile Solutions. And then we're going to go ahead and choose File, go to our desktop, and then we're going to find Beachbody Coach Theme.zip. We're going to open that, and then we're going to choose Install Now. And then we're going to let it do its thing. You'll notice that it's uploading down here, and then it's going to drop it in and install it. And you'll see it work through the different steps. The next piece that you want to do is you want to make sure you activate the theme, because that turns everything on for you so that you're able to do what you want to do. And so if we go back to your website and hit refresh, you're going to get the splash page for the Beachbody Coaches theme that talks about how the website is under construction, because there's a few things you need to do before you launch your website. So we're going to go back to our tab that we installed everything on, and then we're going to go back to the dashboard, because this, whoops, we're going to go back to the dashboard because you'll notice there is now a Beachbody Coach theme section in your dashboard, and it says please set your email address in the Beachbody theme options. Now if you click on this link down here, this Beachbody Coach theme support site, that link will take you to the other videos that will tell you how to configure your Beachbody Coaches theme. And so for now we're going to stop this video, but check out this link right here, and that'll link you to the rest of the videos on how to set your website up. And so we'll stop there. Have a great day and look forward to hearing from you on our blog.